So one of the big questions we always get is when working near these patients, whether you're transporting them or surveying them or even decontaminating, what kind of radiation levels are they giving off, and am I safe? The radiation levels expected from these contaminated victims is expected to be very low. And so we'll give you a quick example. So here is our personal radiation detector, and we can see background is roughly around 11 to 10 micro-R per hour. To put this in perspective, we're going to use this cesium-137 source, which is the basis for whether or not they're contaminated. And let's go about a foot away. It jumps from 10 micro-R to 13 micro-R per hour, which means that there's over 3 micro-R increase. Well, what does that mean? Well, to put it in perspective, you'd have to be a foot away from this patient or source for 4 days straight to get the equivalent of a dental x-ray. So the radiation emanating from the patient is minimal. What we're concerned about is the contamination on the patient, the dust, the particles. And that's where standard precautions that you normally use in a hospital will be very effective at preventing yourself from being contaminated.